Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf. Today, I'm going to attempt another sick edit of unboxing the Loot Gaming Crate from June. I actually subscribed to Loot Crate with my own money because I wanted more props for B-roll and social media pictures, but now I have an affiliate link down in the description which will save you some money. But for now, let's get into it. Well, that wraps up the Loot Gaming Crate from June. Make sure you guys let me know what you thought of that epic unboxing montage that I just did, and don't forget to check out the previous month's unboxings as well. Also, don't forget to use the link down in the description because 1, it helps the channel out a ton, and 2, you'll save yourself some money. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like down below to help support my channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more Zach's Tech Turf videos.